As the summer is approaching, we always need quick and easy meal ideas without requiring much cooking over the stove. Today I'm going to share soy creamy cold soba noodle which you can whip up in 15 minutes. Let's begin. First, we're gonna chop up all the toppings. I got some shiso herb, which is a Japanese herb, stuck up, rolled, and shredded. It's interchangeable for any other rich herbs. I'm planning to grow basil in my small patio. Do you guys grow any? Cucumber shredded into much thin stick, and cherry tomato sliced in half. Yellow bell pepper. Do you say paprika? Paprika is always a tongue twister for me. This is called myoga in Japanese, abundance in summer. It's family of ginger and very crunchy, perfect for the salad. I happen to have this vegetable in my fridge, but anything crunchy, raw vegetable are preferable as for the topping. Moving on, dipping sauce. We will need mirin, soy sauce, soy milk, tahini, sesame seed, comstock powder, water, and salt. The exact measurement I'll list it out for you on my blog. To a pot, add 1 cup of water and followed by 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm always starting with undersalt and making a small adjustment at the end. Then in goes 1 teaspoon of comstock powder. Give it a good mix. If you want to know how to make comstock from scratch, I have another video talking about 4 different types of stocks, which are all essential in Japanese cooking. Let me leave the link for you in the description box below. And one more thing, for those who are living on the other side of the hemisphere, I don't forget about you. I also have hot noodle soup ideas in case you need more inspiration, also listed on the description box. To the stove on high heat, just bring it to a boil as you mix it. Once it comes to a boil, lower the heat and add 1 teaspoon of tahini, which is a sesame paste. And followed by soy milk. And grind some toasted sesame seed and add into the soup. I'm loving this mortar and pestle, which you can find one on my shop page. Once the tahini is fully dissolved, which should take you a minute, make sure to taste at this point. Add soy sauce or salt if it's needed. Off the heat and let it chill in the fridge. And while it cools down, let me take you for a walk in Tokyo, shall we?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if from falling down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
Now we are back to our kitchen. Boil plenty of water, then cook soba noodle according to the package instructions. Drain and rinse, then transfer to the plate. You can opt for pretty much any noodle you have on hand. And by the time your dipping sauce should be nice and chilled, pour a generous amount to your serving bowl and sprinkle some scallion. And for the extra protein, crumble some tofu. This will keep you satiated even more. Drizzle some chili oil if you want. Dip soba into the noodle along with your favorite topping and dig in. If you don't have a noodle, just add all the leftover rice into the sauce along with even more ice cubes. We call this hiyajiru in Japanese. Perfect for the lunch in summertime. Today's video was a little bit different from the usual. If you like this vlog, including recipe type of video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to give me any requests for the future contents because I'm kind of running out of the video idea recently. So talk to you down there. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye! またね!